Turn on the device and start installing the interactive system. First, unzip the software package. Double-click the program and click Install. The C++ driver will pop up. You can click to close after installation. If you are installing for the first time, click Install directly. Camera driver installation and click Next. After the installation is complete, open the desktop icon. Then click Settings. Find the second option box. Check Light Recognition. A restart prompt will pop up. Click OK. Then open the software and click Set. After opening, you can see the position of the entire book model in the video source. You can see the reflective labels attached to each page. And each page is in a different position. It is necessary to ensure that these 2 points can be identified in this area. Then you need to change the parameters of the camera. Click on Cam Setting. Then click the inverted triangle. Choose Gain. To slowly adjust the value starting from 0. It cannot be adjusted too large, otherwise there will be interference. Turn the page after adjusting to only 2 recognition points. After turning the page, you can also recognize the reflective point. Then here is set to 17. According to each site environment, the value will be slightly different. You can adjust it around. If the adjustment still fails, then adjust the angle of the camera. After setting, turn to the first page and then click Light Recognition. Then put the mouse on it. A red cross cursor appears and click OK. Then place it in the upper right corner and click OK after the cross cursor appears. And then turn to the second page for calibration. And so on for each page to calibrate. After the calibration is complete, click Set to complete. After the setup is complete, load the Flipbook software into the play plan. Then add the effect of flipping the book to the play plan. You can set the game time to be longer. Make it loop the effect forever. On the right is to start minimizing, and auto hide can also be checked. Then the fourth line of the setting interface should select the serial port number and projector type. After the setting is completed, the computer and the projector can be switched on and off with one key. The sixth line is set to select the boot to start. After everything is set, click OK. Find the icon in the lower right corner of the taskbar and exit the software. The exit operation is to save the preset of the software just now. Then reopen the software. Then come and experience the effect. Turn from the first page. Each page will have visual animation effects. Then you can also turn the two pages together. This is the use of software. Then explain the replacement of the material. Find the D drive. For material replacement, you need to find the resource folder and find the book page. Then inside is the corresponding picture. The first page is named number 1 and the second page is named number 2. Then you need to replace it with the same name and the same format. Choose a resolution of 1024 multiplied by 768. This is the animation special effect in the middle of turning the book. There are a total of 4 special effects. Material can be replaced here.